After 13 months of building and consistent updates, this is my final Notion second brain template. So let's take a quick tour of this template. Opening this toggle allows me to see all the pages inside this Notion template on the left side. On the right side, I can explore multiple quick action buttons that allow me to do a quick action. I can also see those buttons in the desktop navigation section. For example, let's create a quick task. I can relate this task to a specific life area, like health. Then, let's name this task Go to the Gym. I can add a low, high, or urgent priority for this task, and I can relate it to a specific goal or project. Moving now to the review section, where I can see notes and resources that need review. Once I review a note or resources, I can switch it from no, not review it, to yes, it's been reviewed. On the right side of the review section, I'll see the past 7 days of journals. I can easily add many properties to my journal, like things I'm grateful for, my mood, energy, a picture of the day, the main event, and more. Below, I can see only today's tasks. Moving to the projects in progress and the progress chart that allows me to see your project's progress. I will explain more about the project manager later. Below, you can see the task manager section, where I can add tasks and track them by status or projects. I can also see today's and weekly tasks as well, moving any task to the next date if I missed it. Now moving to my habits tracker, where I can track my habits using a weekly strategy because I found it overwhelming to do it with a monthly calendar. I see my group by life areas or routines. Then I have this little button that can uncheck all the boxes automatically at once. With the progress chart, I can see my weekly progress. Now moving to my project manager, where I can track my project, see daily and weekly tasks that are related to this project, and a progress chart of all my projects. Each project has many properties like the status, progress, life area, and goals, and you can send it to the archive once you finished it. Below, I have my goals tracker system, where I can set my goals and track them. There are many properties for each goal, like the quarter, start, and end date, project related to this goal and their progress and goals progress, and I can also send it to the archive once it's done. Also, there's a progress chart to track all my goals in a timeline view. Moving to my life areas, where I can see multiple life areas, like health, finance, self-improvement, and more. Each life area allows you to see what daily or weekly tasks are related to this area, as well as the habits, resources, projects, and also goals. I can save resources with ease in the Resources Manager and therefore categorize them by links, inspiration, bookmarks, or tools. Then I can review them later. I can make this process also for my notes and financial ideas notes. And before the last page, I have my daily journaling database. Forget to mention archives, where I can see finished projects, done tasks, archived resources, and completed goals. Before closing the video, I'll show you my book tracker. Where I can see daily random quotes from my books, add any books and track their reading, track my current reading book, and also see my all-time reading progress through the progress chart. That is all about my Notion second brain, and still didn't mention other features. I will let you explore them by yourself. I will leave the link to this template in the description so you can access it at any time.